Hello again, it's Mimi from Mimi's Worms, and today we are harvesting. Dog was after a cat. We are harvesting some of our wedges, so I wanted to bring you along to show you what we're doing. So let's go here, and let me just show you this. So here's a wedge that we have not messed with. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come in and take, you can see where we fed, we're going to take this much of this bed out. Now this bed we may not harvest because it really still has quite a ways to go. So what I do is I come in like this bed. You can see where we fed over here. I took all the top layer off to get the majority of the worms that's on this end out. And then what we'll do is we'll harvest that, and then we'll push everything to this end to restart it. Now he's working this out right now. Like this one, I've took the top layer off. I've got the worms that were left in the food on this end, and he'll come in and harvest this whole bit right here. There'll be some cocoons and some few worms in there, but it won't be a whole lot. It'll be mostly castings. And then we'll start refeeding this wedge going the other way. So that's how you harvest a wedge, is you want to get this to one, as close to one end as you can, and then start harvesting back the other way. So when it's finished going, this one's been pretty much finished getting harvested. He's got a little bit more to get out. But as you can see, this end is at that end, and we'll start feeding back this way. So that allows us to get the majority of the worms out that we can harvest, but still leave enough that we can restart this bed. So that's what he's doing, is harvesting this bed up, and then we'll just move to the other ones. And there you have it. That's how you harvest a wedge system.